This is one of those great days at Haulover Inlet for footage. We got crappy conditions and the Florida Powerboat Club's running one of their events and they're going to run it anyway. They've of course chosen to take the inside route because of the poor conditions in the ocean today, but you know what? A few guys went out anyway and decided they're going to compete in this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Our first boater to contend with Haulover this episode is going to show us what it's like when you go ahead and take the Mike Tyson approach to battling Haulover. You may be asking yourself what that is, and that's, well, when you put enough displacement, enough horsepower behind it, can you just punch Haulover in the face and keep on running through it? Well, these guys are about to find out. Basically right here, all you're going to do is throttle down, look at your buddies, say, hold on, here we go. Sometimes this can even be called the Air Jordan approach as well, because of the amount of airtime you're going to get as you're trying to come out of Haulover at these speeds. But these guys get through pretty good, and you know what? This first round's definitely going to the boats. Our next boater to contend with Haulover this week, well, they're not really going to contend with Haulover. They've decided pretty quickly that the Florida Powerboat Club was right on recommending these guys run the inside. They come out here, just stick their nose out just a little bit to check it out, and decide they're going to keep their cat on the inside where they can really open this boat up, but what they're really going to do is give Haulover the easy layup win in the second round. Our third round is going to feature a hardcore fishing boat and some hardcore fishermen, because I'll tell you what, to be out fishing in these conditions absolutely sucks. I don't know why anybody wants to do it, but these guys, only thing I can imagine is the only thing on their mind is getting out there and getting some tail on a hook. I'm not sure if they caught anything, but let's see if they can catch a tail whipping from Haulover, or maybe they can hand one out as these guys come in. The Jolly Roger here looks like it's doing pretty good, especially for the conditions, and even these guys are pretty excited and pretty stoked. As they approach, you're going to see that they notice the cameras, and like so many other people out here, get excited about it. Well, guess what, guys? You got something else to be excited about? I'm going to go ahead and give this round to the boats. And we head into the fourth round, and things are not looking good for Haulover. The boats are up 2-1, and here he comes, the man, the myth, the Yellow Top Legend. If you're not familiar with the Yellow Top Legend, my man is famous for coming out and battling through Haulover in nothing but the worst conditions in this vessel right here. We're going to see how he fares today. Will Haulover go down early here in the fourth round? I'm not sure. Let's watch and see what happens. My man's taking his approach to start heading out, and here we go, throttle down. Hits his first wave, and things are gonna look bad. My man almost flips the boat over backwards. He does wind up pulling out of this, but we are gonna give Haulover the upset victory in this round. And we're gonna head into the fifth and final round back with some of our Florida Powerboat crew, showing you how it's really done when you wanna bring the whole crew. Of course, you gotta get yourself a boat about this size, but look at the amount of people he's got on this boat. But we're gonna focus on one person. We're gonna focus on this gentleman here in the bow, and we're gonna play one of my favorite games to see who wins this. Can they hang on? Here they go, coming out of Haulover, and my man winds up taking a pretty good ride right here. Oh, he's still hold on. We got another big wave coming, and he's gonna ride this one out. Will he make it? Yes, he does not go down, he stays up, and the boats will take the win in the victory in the fifth and final round. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you enjoyed this content, please check out one of our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets all this great footage for us down at Haulover Inlet, and then my channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And if you haven't already, please drop an anchor on the subscribe button. Thanks, guys.